Hey guys, we're taping! And we're back. Hi, I'm Meredith.
And I'm Jamie, and we're with Coastal Business Supplies.
And we're going to be working with our white water bottles with the multiple tops. See you soon. That was wrong. Okay.
With multiple tips.
Multiple tops.
Dun-dun-dun. Okay.
I don't got a fuzzy.
Hi, I'm Jamie.
I thought I was doing it first.
Oh, yes. Sorry. We still show.
I'm like, oh, now I'm all discombobulated.
Sorry.
I'm gonna do it like Michael.
Hi, I'm Jamie.
I thought you were gonna say, wait. Cut, wait.
Hi, I'm Jamie. Hi, I'm Meredith. No, wait.
Yeah,
I'm going to say hi, I'm Jamie, or wait, no, I guess you go first, yeah.
okay.
Okay.
Ready? Hi, I'm Meredith.
And I'm Jamie, and we're with Coastal Business Supplies.
Sorry, we gotta start over.
What, did you pick your nose?
No, I just got a little excited.
Did you pee your pants?
Sorry.
Okay.
Okay, hold on, I'm gonna laugh. My butt's vibrating.
Oh.
Wiping the sweat.
We're just going to wipe your sweat a little bit, guys.
That's why I wore glasses. I figured that way. At least it wouldn't show as much.
Hi, I'm Jamie.
And I'm Meredith, and we are going to be doing these. The bottle shake cutting board. Okay. You can also whip your kid's ass with it. Make sure while whipping your kid's ass, you put the feet on.
And you can find product templates and instructions available online at coastalbusiness.com. And the next one, add Meredith? I want to change. I was like, I don't know what to say, so I just brought up the instructions.
Okay, sorry. Redo that.
And thank you for watching. Slowed it down, sorry. I just hate these feet, I guess.
Okay, I was using my hair anyway. Okay. Check out that mug. And there we go.
So now you have one personalized shirt for that bride-to-be.
That was pretty good.